So this is the Evga 1050 Ti unboxing. Comes with drivers. It comes with booklet, and it comes with a card. It's fairly small. It's like almost 6 inches by 4 inches, and these are the ports on the back. So we have a DVI port, and we have display port, and we have I think it's HDMI. Yes, HDMI port, and HDMI port right here, as you can see. And it's made from probably China, as you can see on the back, because they speak the Chinese, obviously. This is like they're made in China. And we're gonna do a quick bench. Alright, so this plays Fortnite at 60 frames per minute. So we're letting this guy load. Just give it a second. It's playable on Fortnite, so my system works totally fine for Fortnite. And the 3D mark benchmarks are like 3000, not 2000, I think 2000. Getting 12 frames for the I Spy thing, but so yeah, I'm just waiting for it to load. But you see me already playing other footage already with Fortnite, so there's no problem. So it's gonna hit 60. Just wait for it. I'm doing this on 1080p settings. Still loading. It's downloading. So you're seeing 60 with 16 ms. It's working totally fine. So you get 40 by 20 ms because I'm screencasting right now, and my settings are high, and it works totally fine. It's totally playable. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.